option right now, but I'm really getting tired of recording music in these earphones. Like, I feel like it's hurting my like I feel like it's hurting me to make music in these earphones. Like, I can hear, like, it's just too loud, like the frequencies are too loud, but it's like, what else? Like, I don't have any other option, so it's just kind of frustrating because I be doing a lot of like crazy notes, and I'm hearing the playback in my ears, and it hurts so bad, and I'm just like, oh my god, like, what the fuck, like, is this gonna be forever? But I know it's not, so I'm just like, I'm actually pissed off. I'm trying to finish the song, but I'm kind of upset right now, so it's just like what it is.